Hello guys, so today I'm preparing smoky jollof rice and I'm starting with frying my bell pepper, onion and garlic. When it's fried, I'll blend everything together, which is what I'm doing. Next, I'll marinate my chicken using seasoning cubes, pepper. I'm blending a little kilishi to spice up the rice. Okay, our chicken is getting ready. Okay, and then we are separating the chicken from the stock. Heating up my oil. Frying my onions that blended together with kilishi. Okay. Stirring. Then I'm adding my fresh tomato, tartar share that I blended earlier. And then I'm stirring. I'll allow that to cook for a while. Next, I'm adding my tin tomato. Mixing everything up and allowing to cook for a while. I'll add my meat stock and stir. Allow to cook for a while. Okay, I think it's done now. And then I'm adding my seasoning, bay leaves, curry, and stirring. So I'll add enough water to cook my rice. Then I'll add the rice into the pot. I washed my rice 3 times to remove every dirt. Okay, then I'm air frying my chicken. I've allowed the rice to cook for like 30 minutes and this is what we have. Our rice is ready, but I allow it to still cook for a little bit more so that it will start to burn. And there you are. Food is ready. Thanks for watching to the end. Please like,